What I'm about to show you will blow your mind just like it blew mine. See, I'm here with my girlfriend vacationing on a nice island off the coast of Singapore. It's pretty, it's clean, it's nice. But what if I told you that this nice island is made of trash? I kid you not, Singapore is so clean that even their trash island looks like this. Not this or this. They take the entire country's garbage. They burn it, collect the ashes, and ship to a man-made island to bury in special waters. All of this while keeping nature clean. It doesn't smell at all, it doesn't hurt the environment, the corals are still alive, the animals are still around, and the jungle is still green. People even come to take wedding photos at a landfill. In many countries, landfills are painful to look at and to visit. This is why everybody needs to see this. Because the people of Singapore have made a landfill feel like a resort. That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow!